You are again welcome. In our last video, we closed up the video when we're explaining the gains of democracy and how we intend to bring in true democracy to the people. Stay tuned and remain with us in this channel. The topic of today still remains government incompetence, wickedness, and corruption. I was going through the 2022 appropriation bill of Ministry of Police Affairs. A lot of things shocked me of what the Ministry of Police Affairs included under police formations and command. We have something like maintenance of aeroplane. Nigerians, do police, do they have anything like aeroplane? I've not seen one. Who knows whether it is parked in my garage? I will not know. I don't know. And it runs into well over 9 billion to maintain aeroplane. As if that is not enough. There's a place they included foodstuff and kitchen facilities to well above 200 million. Who is going to eat that food? IGP? Or the 8 DIGs that we have? Or is this the AIGs? Who is going to eat that food? Okay, probably for the academy and for the school. Well over 200 million. Okay, we're forgiving them. The main outstanding thing that is annoying, that it beats my imagination. It's uniform and clothing materials. 1.593 billion naira. 1.593 billion naira for uniform and clothing materials. Which uniform are we talking here? The one they give to the police, or the one that is going to be worn by police academy? Because there is no way you can use 1.593 billion naira for uniform and it doesn't go wrong. Let me show you. Please, can someone give me a uniform there, please? Thank you very much. This is Nigerian. This is a police uniform. You see it? Now let's go into it. A standard police uniform has not been given to police free of charge. They buy their uniform. And they have 3 sets. They have common flag, the complete black, and the blue and black as a set. Each set costs them 7,000 naira to buy. No police can come up and say, in 10 years now, they have been given uniform. It's not possible. Nobody, let the IGP come up and tell us. So, let's use the word appropriation. Let's use the word appropriation. Appropriation is something you arrange. If the money comes, fine. If the money does not come, we'll leave it. But not when it gets to uniform. The first priority is uniform for Nigerian police to wear. So it's not just an appropriation ordinarily. It's a determined written amount. It's a written amount. Is a workable written amount. It's not just if it doesn't come home back. Then that is carelessness if that is the way it is planned. Uniform 1.593 billion naira has been earmarked in 2022 for police officers and probably some secondary schools. Police secondary schools. But to me, what concerns me is police officers' uniform. As I told you, this is 7,000 naira. You want to buy? And Nigerians, they're looking at me. Does that surprise you? You know. Everybody knows that, and it's no news. Now, let's go one by one. The beret that the police officers put on is 2,500 naira. The belt they use is 2,500 naira. This is the police uniform. If really you don't get it, it's written Nigerian police. So I'm not just talking. The button of they buy everything. So I wonder what they want to use 1.593 billion to do. You see this button? You see this small button you are looking at? This button is 150 naira. This button is 115 naira. And you buy it. And at the end of the day, of course, you have the rank. Your rank here is 1,000 naira. The commission officer is 1,005. Sergeant, corporal, and the like is 1,000 naira. Some they will give you for 800. Yes, challenge me. IGP, if I'm wrong, you are free to challenge me. Go to the comment section. You will see it there. Challenge me. That is why this channel remain. You want information, IGP? You want information, minister? You want information, chairman of agencies? Subscribe to this channel. This is the People's Channel, the People's Republic channel. Subscribe unto us. We beg you, Nigerians, both home in diaspora, friends of Nigeria, Africa, subscribe to this channel so that we can give you more information. At the channel, look down, you will see a subscribe button written in red. Click on it. Click on the notification bell for you to be informed if another one comes up. Click on the thumb up right there to encourage us to produce more videos like this with this content. And above all, share this video to anybody. It's very important for people to know. So as we're talking about the uniform, the button, as I said, is 150 naira. The shoe, the police shoe, no one is giving to them free of charge. Police shoe is 5,000 naira. If you don't buy them, you will start wearing sandal. And where you dress anyhow, your boss, your superior officers, they will invite you for questioning. You have to buy. And these are the people who said you should not take bribe. We will discuss that when we get there. And let me tell you more. The good thing, the real things that will surprise us, even sewing the uniform. Police has a tailoring workshop. Tailoring workshop. They are police officers being paid by taxpayers' money and recruited into the police force. They will sew each uniform 3,500, 3,800, 4,000 naira as the case may be. You will pay. These tailors, you have to pay them because what they are collecting for sewing your uniform is their own roadblock. I know Nigerians will laugh, but that is the truth. They are just there sewing. So it is not free for you to buy the uniform. It's not free for you to sew. Nothing within the police uniform is free. So let's see how they are going to spend the 1.593 billion naira to buy uniform and clothing materials. We are watching. If that money is not well spent, the People's Republic shall take the Nigerian police to court. Watch how we are going to do that. Now, let's look at a different thing. Let me remind you. Nigerian police is an arm of an institution. We are going to discuss them fully later. We are going to discuss them fully. But let me just give you a bite. Nigerian police. If we mention Nigerian police, we are talking about the rest parastatals. Nigerian police, immigration, custom, prisons, they call themselves correctionals, I don't know. Prisons officers, the civil corps, We're talking about road safety, but we're going to use police as the point of contact. And anywhere we are mentioning army, soldiers, we're talking about all the military, Air Force, and naval officers inclusive. So because you see me mentioning police, someone might ask at the comment section, is it only police that we have? So it's not only police, but we are using police as a point of expression. There's something we call promotion areas. Now, just to the general public, let me explain it. As an officer, either in the military or in the police, in the paramilitary, so to speak, you can be promoted, say, for October, the month of October of a particular year. And you will not receive your salary as at that time. You will still be receiving the old rank salary. After 2, 3, 4, 5 months, your papers, you will duplicate your papers of promotion, your letters, and everything. Submit to every other department, Accountant General's office, Police Service Commission, the IG's office, like that. You will do all that. Same go to other paramilitaries, same go to even militaries. Then they will start paying you your new promotion as at 4 or 5 months after your promotion has been given to you. So the backlog is called promotion arrears. There are a lot of Nigerian police officers. And as I said, if I mention Nigerian police, I mean every other parastatal. We are using this medium. This is your channel. The voice of the voiceless and the power of the powerless. You must be paid your arrears. We are taking it upon ourselves. We are going to write petition to IGP, write petition to National Assembly, write petition to EFCC, write petition to even the presidency. You see, even petition to the presidency. We will seek audience with the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria. We want to know where that money has gone to. Areas of Nigeria that have gone into billions of naira have not been paid. Nigerian police officers, if you are concerned with what I'm saying, now you will see an email down the bottom of this video. You will see an email number there. We might even put it on the screen for you to see. People Republic 2021 at gmail.com. You will see it on your screen, but it will still be at the down of this video. Copy it. Write to us. Make a photocopy of your promotion papers. When you were promoted, identify your name. Write to us. We want to get many emails as much as possible. We are going to fight it. You must be paid your labor. A laborer, they say, deserves its wages. We will re-emphasize that in the subsequent video again, but for now, that is an information for you to use immediately. It might not be this month for you to be paid, it might not be next month, but the person, if that money has been eaten, the rain will fall upon that person, because we will not stop until we bring out that money to be paid to those deserved officers who deserve their wages. Nigerians, this is your channel. This is the voice of the voiceless. This is the power of the powerless. This is the People's Republic. Your channel, your channel, your channel, our channel. Subscribe. Subscribe that red button. Click on it. So press the notification bell for other videos coming so that you can be informed. Give us a thumb up to encourage us to produce more content like this. And above all, share the video to others to know. For this, you don't want to spend your time so long. We intend to come to another video next week. We'll continue with what we have been talking. The same titles remain: government incompetence, wickedness, and corruption. Thank you very much, and God bless.